Hey guys, Ryan back here at Skyway Classics in a black with red interior 57 Thunderbird. This thing's pretty beauty, but I'm here to just give you a little test drive, tell you about the car. All the gauges work, blows out cold AC. This thing's a rider, man. Definitely would like you to guys come check this Thunderbird out here. It's in perfect condition. Drives very smooth. The transmission's very smooth, awesome. Should just be a fun car to be in all day. Very comfortable seating. Steering wheel is tight. Very smooth. Let's do a little brake test here. Brakes fast. Brakes hard. Come here and check us out at Skyway Classics in the Sarasota-Bradenton area. We'd love to see you here. We got a bunch of classics to come look around and come by.